guys, it's Aisha, Ice the Spice, and today my brother and I were decorating my graduation cap. I'm graduating and I'm going to decorate my cap myself because your girl is broke. I'm not trying to pay someone to do it. So I bought some DIY items from the 99-cent store. So the first thing we have is folders. These folders are the colors that I need. I was going to get construction paper, but it was too pastel. So I got the folders instead. I'm going to decorate it in the color of my flag, which is the Gambian flag. And that is red, blue, and green. I know this looks orange from a distance, but we're going to say it's red for the sake of saying it's red. And then I have glitter paints that I'm going to paint the things with, because what is life without a little bit of shimmer, right? And then I have this white paper, which is going to be the foundation. Of course, we have our graduation cap. We have our scissors. We have stickers. Many stickers. We have letter stickers. Butterfly stickers.
Star stickers.
Star stickers.
Hearts.
And heart stickers.
Yeah.
We have our paint brushes. I'm gonna have to trim that part. When I just took so long to get the paintbrush. We have our paint brushes.
Crazy glue.
We have crazy glue. Can they see it's crazy glue?
Yeah, crazy glue.
And we have tacky glue, which is rather cheap, so I hope it works. If not, I want to use straight pins.
Okay.
So I just traced the pencil over here, and now I'm going to cut this because I'm trying to make the paper the same shape as the hat. So I need space for the place that I want to put my tassel. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to check the perimeter of the space, which is somewhere around here. And I'm just going to use one of these paint things to make a circle to make the hole. Hopefully this works out.
There's a little lump right there. See? Figured out something, one thing Aisha can't do. Drawing a deep shaded line. I can see.
Now I can see the line.
I'm not sure if you guys can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So we're just gonna cut. We're just gonna follow this line to make the circle for the tassel.
She's probably gonna cut it wrong.
Guys, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Circles.
Remember that this is gonna be on your head, and if you're tall enough, I'm 5'6", so if you're like 5, then you better make it perfect. I'm not discriminating. I'm just saying. My mom is short. My mom is 5, so I don't want to hear anything about, oh my god, sister, you're so mean, sister. So
Aisha at 10. Aisha,
that's good, right?
at 10 p.m. Something I think.
So now I'm gonna cut the. This is supposed to be red. This is supposed to be blue. This is supposed to be green. So I'm gonna take the red one and put it under here. And if it looks orange to anyone, please don't say it. Help me with my self-esteem. I'm not to accept my almost color blindness. And this is what we're doing. We're just gonna trace this. Cool. And then we're gonna cut it. So I traced all of the colors. But for the blue, which is in the middle, I'm just tracing the circle with the scissors so that I can cut it out. Okay, so I cut all the pieces. Sorry about my family. Cut all the pieces, and now I'm just gonna glue it. This is the for it to dry, and we're gonna cover this place with white strips so that the bleeding doesn't show. So guys, I finished with the strips. I think it still turned out really nice. Now next we're gonna put the stickers. So with the stickers, I'm gonna say, I can't believe we made it. If you guys know where that is from, tell me, because I know you know where that is from. If not, then so help you God. Guys, so now we're done with our glitter and we're done with the decoration. But now I think we should just like put flowers and things and butterflies all over. So stay tuned. Put it on the table. Still, this is gonna bug me, but I'm gonna just ignore it. Make sure that it's straight and everything. Check this out. Okay guys, this is the final product. It says, I can't believe we made it. And it has the butterflies, the stars. I'm so proud. Alhamdulillah, I'm done with this, and you guys are going to see it on my graduation day.